Let's work with lights and shades in our watercolor painting. Download for free the guidance document that we are going to use. We'll leave in the description below the Google Drive link where you can find it. Hi, I'm Laura and welcome to LALA Love channel. In the video Watercolor for Beginners, step by step, you can find all the basic tips to start working with Chinese ink and watercolor. So let's see what we need to start. Chinese ink, clean water, tissue paper, watercolor paint, a tray palette, any watercolor paper, but we will work the wet on dry technique, round brushes, pencil, eraser and a sharpener. Let's transfer the dough to the watercolor paper. For each layer, we leave without any paint the marked spots. For the first layer, we leave eyes, mouth and nose without any paint. And we'll use a really light tone. We'll go darker with each layer. Let layers dry before you keep going. Always start with a light color. let's use Chinese ink for eyes and nose. Let's add Chinese ink to get a brighter and cute dog. And remember, the unique dog that you're looking for is out there waiting to be adopted. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, to share with your friends, to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to follow LALA fan page on Facebook and check out our online shopping sites on Etsy and Redbubble. We'll leave the links in the description below. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment. Until next video. Bye!